We go to Portland now, where residents of Craig Hill in Buff Bay are calling on the authorities again to urgently address damage to a footbridge in their community. The structure has been deteriorating since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Alia Brandt has their story.
Community members of Craig Mill in Buff Bay, Portland, are crying out in fear that they could be cut off at any moment. A footbridge, which serves as the main access route in and out of the community, was severely undermined during Hurricane Melissa last year. Residents say conditions have worsened as a nearby river continues to overflow its banks during periods of heavy rainfall. They warn the bridge is now unsafe and fear it could collapse, leaving them completely cut off.
Every time river come down, when I have nowhere to drive and come see me. Cracks them the body see me, man. As let me assure you. I mean, I see them come to try fix the back and everything. Now river come down and them thing, keep them afraid to walk on it, scary. Like you can tear down and break down anytime.
What was meant to strengthen the bridge has over time been washed away, taking with it the community's only link to safety and access.
Then we put one little sachets grind and it wash and dirt on them something. No steel on them something, see on it. Just dirt and sachets grind and cement and stuff. So you guys feel safe? No, we don't feel safe.
Those less fearful are helping others across, despite how unsafe the bridge has become.
Most of the people that pass, the teacher passed a while ago, we have to hug them up here and cross because I'm afraid. I just carry one girl across a while ago and I had to be so fast in general. People scared, probably me not scared still, but the whole community scared, isn't it?
Now they're again appealing for immediate intervention, not just to reinforce the riverbank, but most importantly, to repair the footbridge.
What is a shake right now? We just not safe in at all, bro. Believe me, we're not safe. We need your help. We need justice, bro.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.